We are in Chinatown, Singapore. And we got a lot of steps to go down. I guess that's a lot better than a lot of steps to come up. And we're past the steps and headed down to the more of the market area. It's not very many markets in Singapore, but one here in Chinatown is one of the better ones.
Wow.
So I had a guy want me to come into his restaurant a few minutes ago. It's like I'm trying to do a walk. It's like you can walk inside. It's like I need to take video. It's like take video inside. I said I want to take video of all Chinatown. It's like I'll give you a video. Nice gentleman. He had all the answers. So them steps was coming off of the MRT for Chinatown. And right here at the end of this walking area is the Hindu temple. And quite obviously in the market area. Come down here and ate a few times. Some really good food here. Right now we're shaded from the buildings, so that's a big help. It's not just Chinese food here. You got Malaysian, Indonesian. You got Western food. Ooh. Beckoning cats. It says on there, fortune cats. Nice magnets. You like refrigerator magnets? The gift shop. Unfortunately, it's hard to carry stuff. Oh, durian. I can smell it from here. $38. One box, $38. Oh my God. $38 should be like a half a truckload of durian. Here we go. Lots of pandas. And jade. Very nice. I'm doing good. Not fit me. I look bad in that. I know. Not married. Lucky. Oh, that sun is awful. I originally started this video coming from down by where I said the Hindu temple was. That sun was just too intense to try to walk with that directly into the camera. And I've even seen Vietnamese food here. It's a large covered market. We're not going to walk through there, but we are going to go just take a quick look. So it is a Sunday. These places are not very busy today. You go some places, Sundays are the day, especially in the shopping areas. Go other places, you know, not too busy. It's kind of strange. Nice purses. And you can get all your souvenirs right here. The mirror lion. Lucky tassel. Pokemon. So I really don't know what the name of this big building here is. We'll go around to the other side and hopefully see. We are at a Chinese temple. It's Maxwell's Food Center. I think it's like a hawker stand. I'm not sure. Very colorful. I don't know if they're open. Yeah, a lot of shoes on the rack, so maybe. It's the name of it. Very beautiful temple. Okay, how crazy of me. Pagoda I was looking for. It's not on Pagoda Street. I have no idea why, I might think that it would have been. But This is the area that I was in a little bit ago. Only the wrong direction.
I say like this one. Too close?
Oh, very nice. Chopsticks. I'm going to have to come back there. I'm pretty bad with chopsticks, so I'm thinking about buying some. Then looking for some of the rectangular ones. I hear they're easier to learn with. I can use them as long as I don't have to pick up anything very heavy or really scoop with them.
Once main server accessibility is down, then offline will be.
Many nice places here. A lot of good places to eat. Everybody taking their videos. Welcome to Chinatown. A lot of different foods too here. There's a Thai restaurant. Seeing Malaysian, Indonesian, Vietnamese. Oops, excuse me. Little beckoning cats, I like them. Great little statues. Durian.
Là cái đó là miếng kẹo phần nó sẽ lại. Review.
Oh my God, the prices on that durian. You can buy a truckload. I like this kind of stuff here.
Acho que era $2, o preço tá barato.
Chinatown Market's really nice. Fans. Hello.
Hi, hello, sir.
Is the camera okay?
Yes.
I'm looking for rectangular chopsticks. Not round, but have edges.
Rectangular. Like pure rectangle, or it's okay?
All the way down. Okay, I did buy some chopsticks. I have not bought that Hawaiian shirt that I've been wanting for months. Someday. Oh, I like him gloves. Welcome to Singapore. All these buildings have some really nice paintings on them. So we're in a covered area. Still not the area that I was looking for, but we'll walk through here and check it out. So I went to the Chinatown Hawker Center. Got some really good Thai food. And it was $12. So for here, it's a pretty good price. Another little area I didn't want to leave out. People's Park. I'm sure lots of good food. Oh, at McDonald's. Since I just ate, I'm not going to go to McDonald's. Even though it is quite tempting. There we go. Big, oversized gold necklace. It's just what everybody needs.